So hey y'all, so welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new, my name is Kaheem and thank you guys for watching. For those of you who are not new here, thank you for coming back. So based on title, you'll see that today we're in the kitchen. Like y'all, I'm in my Nara Summit region, like my era. Right now it's the Nara Summit era. Today we're making chicken teriyaki with rice. I only hope that I'm pronouncing it correct. Disclaimer, I'm not a chef. I can cook, but in no way, shape or form. I don't have a degree in cooking. I have nothing in cooking. However, you know, I know my things and I know what to do, how to do it. So y'all, before I continue with the video, my Instagram is Travelwithkaheem. My TikTok is Kaheemtravel. Go and check those out. If y'all want to book your vacations, you can head over to Serene Travel. I know that they have a cruise coming up, a group cruise. So if y'all are interested in that, y'all can join the cruise. Most likely I will be there, but let's see. Go and check them out. Everything will be linked down in the description. So y'all let me know what y'all think, and if y'all are watching this vlog, comment a food bowl down in the comment section. Yeah, but further ado, come with me and come and cook. Alright, so y'all, so I have my chicken breast here. This recipe requires chicken breast. It's already seasoned, however I'm gonna add my seasoning to it. And yeah, I will be cutting everything in cubes because chicken teriyaki, it's cubes. Y'all, please remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just in the kitchen. I pride myself on cooking. However, not perfect, but y'all get what I'm saying. But let me know what y'all think. Remember to drop a food bowl emoji down in the comment sections. Yeah, so keep up with me and let me know. Let's start by cutting these in cubes. Y'all, one thing about me, like, is it just me, but I love chicken so much. Like, probably the only thing that I would put about chicken to say I love is lobster. However, I'm just a chicken fan. Like, I could eat chicken for the rest of my life. Those who know me know that I really love chicken. Y'all, so like, this is it in cubes. Let me show you guys in bite size. So you basically want it like this. Nothing too big, but nothing too small. Alright, so y'all, so I'm literally on my last one. So I'm just dicing these up. Y'all, you ever watch those cooking videos and you see how these persons, like, they go like this and they dice things up in a second? Sorry, I don't have that gift. Like, I cannot do it. Probably I need to train how to do it, but those who can do it, big up to no. One thing about it, I literally refuse to stand here and try it, and then when I look, all these are gone. Like, y'all, I cannot do it. If y'all can do it, leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know how y'all do it. If y'all are this far in the video, I know that it basically just started, but comment a chicken leg. Yeah, let's see who is here watching. So if y'all are this far, go ahead and comment a chicken leg. Yeah, I just brought out all the seasoning that I will need to do this. The last time I made this was about a month or two ago, and y'all, I added cabbage to it and carrot, but unfortunately none of that today. Just doing some regular chicken teriyaki. Y'all, I'm literally in my stay-at-home era. Like, be honest, can't I stay home now? Like, yeah, and like that we have it, chicken thighs, and come, let us season it together. All right, so y'all, so I have some of my favorite seasoning here. So to start, I have Maggi chicken seasoning. Of course, we cannot leave out the garlic powder. Y'all, we did a seafood boil about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and from that, in love with Old Bay seasoning. Like, literally love it so much that I use it on everything that I'm making. Of course, we have our Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Next we have our oregano leaves. Like, love my leaves on everything. And of course, teriyaki sauce. I should have another bottle in there in case this run out, y'all, because this seems to be quite a small amount left in this. Yeah, y'all, I believe that I had Mrs. Dash. Let me go and check in the cabinet. So y'all, so public social announcement PSA, before I start seasoning, I'm not the type to really measure seasoning, because I believe in season until the ancestors say to stop. So first I'm going in with my garlic powder. Y'all remember that this was seasoned already, so that will be it for the garlic powder. Of course, the Old Bay seasoning, we have to go in with that to have the nice flavor. Next, some leaves, oregano leaves. Y'all, I don't find the Mrs. Dash. It seems as if it's finished. Next we have some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. For this one, because it's so big, so I'm gonna use the cover to measure how much, and then I add it over it. And next, of course, some Maggi chicken seasoning. Add that in it. Y'all, don't bother say that I over season it, y'all. And next, of course, some teriyaki sauce. And here's how it looks. Let's get mixing, cause like, why not? Oop. My counter is clean, so y'all don't even come for me. And I'm cooking. Yeah. Like, y'all, look at this. I want y'all to just smell how delicious it already smells. Like, y'all know some seasonings have that smell. Perfect. Literally though. Look at it. Alright, so people, while my chicken is over there, what they call it, marinating, yeah, let the seasoning go down it a little. I'm gonna start with making my sauce. So of course I have to go in with some ketchup. Like, I believe that ketchup is the base to most sauces. So I have my ketchup, then I have to add some sugar, and then of course it wouldn't be teriyaki chicken without some teriyaki sauce. Y'all, this is literally the last of the sauce. Like, literally I have to check if there is another one in there in case I need more. So y'all, this is how my sauce is looking. Pretty much promising. Yeah, so let's go and fry the chicken. Alright, so y'all, so now I have my frying pot. So let me go ahead, set this on. Of course, put the stove on about a medium. No need for it to be high, because this is cube size. So y'all, this should be fried in about 5 minutes or less because they're very small, and then they will be getting cooked again. So let me go in with my oil. Don't want too much, but at the same time enough to cover the bottom and fry your chicken well. Yeah, one thing I have to ensure with me though, ensure that your chicken is fried, because one of my biggest turnoffs is raw food. Like, that can spoil my whole appetite. I just can't. Of course, I have to add some pimento seeds to my oil to give it a little spice, a little flavor. So yeah. While that is heating up, yeah. Alright, so y'all, so go ahead and add your chicken in it. Don't wait for it to get too hot, but wait for it to get just to the right temperature. Like, I know that y'all are saying that this will take an entire day to add everything in. However, you know, if you have a deep fryer, I suggest using one. I don't, and I didn't really want to put it in the air fryer. But try a little ASMR, if that's it. Yeah. So y'all, so this is how it looking. So you know I have it here. Y'all, please to use a different fork when you're handling your raw chicken and your cooked chicken to prevent cross contamination. I literally don't understand how persons use the same exact fork, but yeah, so chicken is frying. Alright, so y'all, so this is ideally the color that we are going for. Cause yeah, you don't want to overcook your chicken because they will be cooked again in the teriyaki sauce. So this color, perfect. So ensure to line a bowl with oh my god, what's this called again? Y'all, I can't believe, paper towel. Yeah, I'm using a spoon to remove these from the pot just because they're so small, y'all. So, and it has holes in the bottom, so it will leak the oil. So y'all don't have to worry that I'm transferring any oil into the bowl. Everything is being removed. Like, there are the holes in the bottom. Y'all, one thing about the cooking, like, look how beautiful this is. Alright, so y'all, so I'm gonna do some plain white rice with my teriyaki chicken. So of course, before y'all ask, no, I'm not cooking for myself. It's not just me here. I'm not that greedy. Yeah, so this should be enough. Don't want a lot of rice. We're running away from a lot of carbs, so healthy era. Alright, so y'all, so my chicken has been finished fried. They're at the perfect color that I want them to be. Let's go ahead and start with my sauce. So get a new pan, basically. So there's not really much to this step. All I see that I should do is add the sauce, mix the chicken, and let it cook down for a while, and then that's basically it. Chicken teriyaki will be ready. So I'm still waiting on my rice to steam. It has about 10 to 15 minutes to steam. So yeah. Then y'all tell me if I'm gonna angle this. Like, this is well handled. My plain rice in cups, of course, with my chicken teriyaki. Alright, so y'all, so like, let's do a taste test. Not because I am the one that cook it, I'm not gonna automatically rate it a 10, cause no. For sure, love it. It's not a 10 out of 10, it's not my best. I would give it a 9. It's really good. It's just a little dry, but other than that, my rice is good. Rice is not something that you can mess up to me. So my rice is good. Overall, my meal is a 9 out of 10 or a 10 out of 10, literally. It's that good. So I say thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Everything from me as my socials will be linked down in the description. Further ado, let me know if you guys want more of these vlogs, and I'll see you guys next time.